थिंगा जे स्क्रॅप जे जमा जाल्ले आहा आनी ताका लागून हांव एक अवेकनस करूंक सोदता म्युनिसिपालिटी कावन्सिला कडेन आनी तेच भाशेन टू द पब्लीक इट सेल्फ. The problem is our public money, the loyal taxpayers' money that has been used and taken by the municipality, it's been channeled in such a way that the loyal taxpayers' money is put in waste. To tell you, we were at the garage at the old market. We have seen there are vehicles which are lying for years together. One is a sweeping machine. To pull the sweeping machine, there was a tractor. Both the items are lying there from so many years. It is during Joki Alemau's time when he was the Suda chairperson. He had given the thing as a gift to the municipality. But that thing from the day one it is lying there till today it is lying there unused. One more thing, CP's car which CP was using, chairperson was using, that car is lying there, one tire is removed. On inquiry with the people, the workers working there, they said this CP's car is in excellent condition, but there is only a tire that is having a problem. And that tire is kept removed from there, and it is kept since 4 months. It is kept on the jacks, and the tire is not been fitted. So see the maintenance of the municipality how it is. Secondly, this same CP's car right now for election duty it has been called, but since the car is in standstill position, nobody is bothered to fix the tire over there and send it for election duty. And this information is given to us by the person working over there, who is under the municipal council. So many junks which are there, so many vehicles which are there, remove those vehicles. The council has to remove those vehicles and sell those vehicles, and whatever money you are getting from the junk, the scrap, put it in the municipal treasury. Why just keep it on corroding and corroding and corroding, and finally it will become a dust over there, and it will be a waste of money. At least whatever can be got from the dust, from that scrap, at least it can go to the municipal treasury, and it can be used for some good things for the maintenance of the vehicles. If you go to see that the room where the maintenance things are kept, it is all in a shambles, it's all in shabby. Then further on, if you go to see, there are cycle rickshaws which are also just dumped over there unused. There are trolleys, garbage lifting trolleys, which were once upon a time in very healthy condition, but that is also lying unused. So all these things, if you go to see, it is so bad, and for all these things public money is being used, the taxpayers money is being used to buy them.
सामान वापरिना जाल्यार स्क्रॅपाक तरी विकचे आनी पयसो खंय पालिकेच्या कामांक वापरचो. प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.
आमी इतले फावटी आतां कितलीं वर्सां जालीं, इवन आमच्या टायमार देखून आमी कितले बोवाप केले की बाबा ते आमगेले प्लेसूय ऑक्युपाय करतात म्युनिसिपालिटीचो, जावं ताजे दुसरी व्हेकलांकूय त्रास जाता. सो ते जी सुडान नाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटान ते परतून व्हरचें म्हणून सांगपा म्हळ्यार इवन ट्रॅक्टर, ओके स्विपींग मशीन एक बाजू जालो, ट्रॅक्टर आमचे एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट आसा जांकां ट्रॅक्टराची गरज आसता. सो एटलिस्ट ते न्यू ट्रॅक्टर जे आशिल्ले ते एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाक पूण अलॉट करचे आसले, कित्याक फायनली गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा हॅज इनकर्ड एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन देम. when you have incurred expenditure on them, at least put it for a proper use. If it cannot be used for sweeping machine, use it for some other purpose.